Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be going in with the new fall Fenty Beauty lips. So I have the mini case here of the new lip glosses, and I also have the new lipstick called Underdog right here. So these are the lips that we're going to be going into. We're going to start off with the glosses and we'll end with the lipstick, so that the lipstick will be the final lip for this look. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are interested in seeing this, continue to watch. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Like this video if you enjoy the content, and please comment below and let me know if you plan on getting this mini gloss set or the Underdog lipstick. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauties, let's get started on this look. So these are the lippies that come in the set. Ignore the fingerprints. My kids have been going all through them and dropping them on the floor. So we're going to go ahead and get started and just start putting them on. I want you to see how they look when they are clear, and then I want you to see how they look when they have a lipstick underneath. So we're going to start off with the color Cheeky. Next we're going in with the color Hot Chocolate. Next we're going in with Confetti. Next we're going in with Fussy. Finally, Pretty Please. So that is how they look as just glosses. Now we're going to go ahead and do them with a lipstick underneath. So I have a lipstick underneath that's a similar color. Let's get started. So for the orange one, going in with Adam from Lena Lashes. Going to outline that with Orlando from Lena Lashes. Cheeky. Going in with Orlando from Lena Lashes. Maybelline Loyalist. Orlando. Confetti. Marie lipstick. Fussy. Utopia from Lime Crime. Pretty Please. And for the finale, we're going to do Underdog. And this is going to be our lip color for this look. This is the Fenty Beauty Mini. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this lookbook for the fall Fenty lips. I did the whole gloss set here. And also the new Underdog Lippie here. And I am so here for it. I love both the gloss kit and the lipstick. I am very happy with my purchases and I definitely recommend them. So you guys let me know in the comments below. Do you plan on getting your hands on these lip glosses or do you plan on getting your hands on the lipstick or both? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for your support. Have a wonderful day. Bye.